Today we are going to discuss one of the ways that you can get information about chemicals you use at work. A material safety data sheet, also known as the MSDS, is a form that gives a lot of information about chemical products and its hazards. These forms are required by law for many chemical products. Your salon or shop should have a file of MSDSs for the products it uses. We will look at some of the MSDs today and talk about the information they contain. This will be a great way to learn what is appropriate to use in a salon. Welcome to the MSDS Information Packet Brochure Scenario Seminar. And today we're going to talk about MSDS and the way it affects all of us in all salons. In fact, I would like to talk about all the things in just 2 minutes, but I'm going to have my friend, my assistant. She's going to come out here and she's going to ask you questions from the audience, and then you are going to ask and participate with whatever it is you need to ask. Okay? So, I'll see you in a bit. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor. Now, could somebody answer me, what kind of information that MSDS contains? Genevieve.
Okay, well, like, I have, like, what is the material safety data sheet, and, it names, dangerous ingredients, like, you know, I feel better if I had a hat on. I feel more comfortable. I'm sorry, class. Can I get a hat, please? Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Well, and this is an example. Like, you don't want to use flammable hats like this when you're working because it could just be dangerous. But for my presentation, I'm going to use my hat. And where is my dog? Wait. Who has my chihuahua? Okay, never mind. I'll just go on. Okay, another thing is healthy hazards, or health hazards, because nothing hazardous is healthy. Safety hazards, and it's important to have the utmost safety precautions to take when using the product, you know, like hair color and all that other stuff. And then, like, emergency procedures if there's like an accident, like a spill of fire. Like, you guys remember when Yang like spilled the liquid on the table and he tried to hide it. It was scandalous, you know, whatever. And the flammability of hairspray. You got to be careful with the hairspray. That includes you, Sarah, back and forth, because I know how you like hairspray and stuff. Okay, and yeah, that's about it. I mean, that's all the information I got. Yeah, whatever. Okay.
Good job, Jenna.
So you can take my hat back.
Okay, class. Who can tell me what are some of the health problems that this product might cause? Anybody? Olympo.
Oh, okay. Well, can I have the sheet, please? Thank you. Okay. Let's see. Well, what are some of the health problems that products might cause? On MSDS, looks at section 5, health hazards. This product can cause eye irritation, dermatitis, and in some cases vomiting, unconsciousness. It sounds like the party I went to last night. Coma, and even death. And it's even known to cause cancer. And let's see. So, the most important sections of MSDS, unfortunately, not always include the information that you know. So, you know, if you guys have any other questions, just look it up. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Okay, now class. I have another question for you guys. Where can we get more information about a product if the MSDS doesn't tell you enough? Anybody? Teresa. Stand up, please.
Can I have the book, please? The information, because with buying groceries for the snack shack and with my makeup getting stolen and someone trying to kill me in my car, I just can't handle any more drama in my life. It's just like, I never thought that presidency would be this much work. You know, I'm more than happy to do this.
Okay, Teresa, please answer the question.
Oh, okay. What was it? Okay, where can you get more information about the products if the MS does not tell you enough information? Well, you can go to Hazard Evaluation System and Information Services, which is also like HESIS, a Labor Occupational Health Program. You know, I'm just tired. Why don't you guys pay for your snacks? Why do you guys... Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. One federal agency can be very helpful if, like the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. There's also a short description of these agencies and the information services that provide in Handbook 8, and I'm sure you all have it. You know, it's like, okay, and you also find addresses and phone numbers in most handbooks. So, is that?
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm sorry. Okay, I wanted to say thank you for my partner. She's been a great help. She asked many questions that we have not learned in the previous modulars, and also we have other modulars ahead of us that does describe many of the things the MSDS, and we're going to go over a little chemical experiment for you so that you can understand that the MSDS is a dangerous thing to all of you students. Let's see. Let me get the chemicals and I'll give you an example of why it's important to have your MSDS information with you, because you might mix a chemical and cause a big explosion. So 1 second, okay? Okay, so what we have in here is we're going to set up a table so that you can see the chemical reactions. Now, let's say, for example, you were to mix in this, in here is white powder. It's not a legal substance, it's actually hair bleach. And you were to mix it with, let's just say, this ingredient that counteracts, let's just say, sodium hydroxide, right? And what if, for example, we were to mix just a tiny bit in here? Look what happens. A chemical reaction. In fact, this stuff is so potent, whoa, it's burning my nostrils. Now my nose is burning. So, you got to really read the MSDS. It's one of the most important things when you're in a salon, because you don't want to lose your license over mixing some chemicals because you had a chance to read up on it. So, cheers. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm going to go over right now some information for you to write down. Thank you. We'd like to say thank you for watching our show. Hope the MSDS was beneficial to your knowledge. And we also hope that we did not offend anybody, because we all know that we are all family and we are here to support each other. And what is learning if you can't have fun?